Hello, my name is Stephanie Gonzalez Mendez and my presentation is Creativity, where I will talk about its characteristics. Creativity is the capacity or ability of human beings to invent or create things, which can be physical objects, ideas, representations, or as simple fantasies. It is about the possibility of generation the new. Creativity thinking is highly valued in our society, where innovation and change play an important role. It involves memory, what is innovation? Innovation is a implementation of a new idea or a concept in the production process, thus creating and service a product with added value that can be a market within a niche market. What is memory? Memory is the brain's ability to retain and remember events from the past, whether they are sensations, impressions, feelings, or expected ideas. In our memory, we store our learning stone life, as we are the knowledge that we consider it most important and useful. Creativity is a typical of human connection. It is present to varying degrees in numerous forms of the personality, called creative personality, and is found in its pure and free state during childhood. The greatest example of which is the games of retainer types of creativity. There are several types of creativity among which are plastic. These are related to shapes, colors, textures, proportions, and volumes. It is manifested in visual arts such as architecture, sculpture, and painting. Fluent. It is creativity of feelings, affections, and attitudes. It is dominated by values, desires, and dreams, the imaginary, the symbolic, and the chimerical spirit, the religious, and the mystical. Philosophy. This type of creativity can flourish in the generations of knowledge and interpretation for the world. For example, a conceptual way of thinking which transforms image into symbols. Scientific applies ingenuity and talent in the investigation of new knowledge. Takes advantage of happy occurrence and any stage of the method, and not only when elaboration habitus or generate solution obvious. Inventiveness in the skillful application of ideas, theories, and resources in the solution of ordinary problems. It is not limited to the design of utensils, tools, or apparatus, but encompasses organizations and processes. Social. It is creativity in human relationships. It generates the organization and its institutions through whose operation on the peaceful and privileged coexistence between the groups of society in optimize. What is creativity? It's a basical about making new connections between exciting ideas, but for these kinds of connections to occur, there must certain dynamics relate to creativity thinking. A creativity person seeks to have original ideas of greater scope within the context to be developed. Aims for impact, considering different points of view, evaluates on analysis in a broader perspective. It accepts ideas or opinations as levels of complexity and the development of these levels and influences by two types of thinking, linear and lateral. The first provides use with a logical process rows and traditional methodology, while the second involving disorganized and logical sequence and arriving is a solution from another angle. Techniques for the development of creativity. Brainstorming. One of the main dynamics to develop creativity is the well known, which allows you to start from nothing by exercise, random strokes, and will generate polarized ideas. Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual and verbal tool used to structure complex situations while searching for creativity solutions. And a mind map is a creativity pattern for relation ideas. Image simulations. Image simulation is a well-known technique used to generate new ideas. In it, the members of the group observe and groups of select images and relate them to information of the problem to be resolved. This technique is based on the premise that a greater the number of associations and this less stereotype the ideas, the more creativity the solutions to the problem. A lot of ideas are generated storage.